Hi, good morning to everyone. I would like to request everyone to please stand up. We will have our prayer. Miss Aguila, kindly lead us in prayer. Amen. All right. It seems your training room, okay, hindi siya gaanong maayos. I would like everyone to please arrange their chairs and pick up the pieces of paper before we start our training today. All right. Thank you very much. Let's check our attendance. Miss Aguila Lorena. Okay, very good. Mr. De La Cruz. James. Miss Manuel Charito. Mhm. Pangan Maiko. Very good. Yumol John. Okay. I think everyone's here today. I would like to ask, kumusta kayo from our previous lesson from since last week? Okay. How about you, Miss Manuel? Okay. It's good to hear. Before we start our training for today, I would be giving you an activity. But before that, I would like to ask, let's see, Mr. Yumol, what makes a caregiver special when giving care to a child? Okay, I'm seeing hands. Mr. De La Cruz, James. Okay, patience. Very good. How about you, Miss Aguila? Gentleness, correct. Mr. Yumol. Alertness. Okay, good. Lahat ng sagot ninyo ay totoo naman, no? It makes makes us special. Yung patience, gentleness, alertness, and many other adjectives. Okay, ngayon, I'll give you a heart cutout. Ngayon, gusto kong isulat ninyo dyan one personal quality or skill na sa tingin ninyo ay importante kapag pinaliliguan o pinakakain ng isang bata. Yan, ilagay ninyo dyan, isulat ninyo doon sa mga heart cutout ninyo. I'm giving you 5 minutes to do that. Okay, 5 minutes up. Okay, let me see, Mr. De La Cruz. Okay, attentiveness. That's correct. Kailangan natin yung quality or skill na yon kapag ka nagpapakain o nagpapaligo ng bata. Oh, how about you, Miss Manuel? Okay, safety awareness. I would like to give emphasis to this. Okay? Um, yung mga tasks na binibigay sa atin in bathing and feeding a child, hindi lang yun basta routine. These are actually moments of care, trust, and connection between you as a caregiver and dun sa bata. Okay? And every action na ginagawa natin, it actually reflects our hearts as caregivers sa kanila. Okay. Today, we're not just going to learn the proper techniques of bathing and feeding a child, but let us always remember every touch, every spoonful, and every gentle word shows the true heart of a caregiver. Okay? So ngayon, ang magiging topic natin no, for today's session is actually, we still are in the core competency 2. This is now the care and support to children. So this is our session 1 for the core competency. So we have 11 for caregiving. So nandito tayo sa core competency number 2 now. Please take note that this unit of competency is actually embedded also with the basic UC4, which is the develop career and life decision, and UC7, we have to practice OSH policies and procedures also. So, flashed on your screens, no, are actually the WRM for module 4 and 7. So, these are the embedded skills for this core competency. So what is WRM nga, Miss Aguila? Okay, very good. These are work readiness modules. So the discussions, the training, as mentioned previously during our discussion ng common skills, common competencies, no, yung ating 21st century skills. Okay, let's proceed. So you are going to expect to know about the vital signs taking, proper health care of children, and your hand washing procedures. This is our learning outcome. Ito yung gusto nating makuha. We only have three nang din naman for core competency 2. So learning outcome 1 is to instill personal hygiene practices to children. Okay, very good. So, our objectives for this one, of course, sabi gaya nga ng mga discussions natin noong nakaraan, knowledge, skills, and attitudes are very important. Kaya nga naman, embodied in this core competency are our objectives. Ano yon? As part of our knowledge, kailangan we need to identify common personal hygiene practices. Okay, that are essential to the children's health. Example, hand washing, bathing, oral care, and nail trimming. As part naman nung skills natin, we should enhance this. We have to demonstrate correct techniques in assisting or guiding children in personal hygiene activities following standard caregiving procedures. Thirdly, to develop a positive attitude towards promoting and encouraging personal hygiene habits among children in their care. So yun yung sa attitude part. So kailangan daw meron tayong positive attitude para ma-promote and ma-encourage natin yung mga bata to give emphasis doon sa kanilang personal hygiene. And lastly, as part of the OSH, okay, embodiment dito, no, to apply proper hygiene practices to prevent common illnesses and infections in children under care. Okay. So I hope everyone's understanding yung ating kailangan dyan. Okay. Okay. So yan ha, wala. May question ba? May question? Alright. So let's proceed now. Okay. So I want um you to proceed to our Learning Resource Center and check on our WRM. Again, ano yung WRM natin? Mr. Pangan? Okay, very good. These are our modules on work readiness. Your WRM is your work readiness modules. I believe in the past discussion natin, yung core competency 1 natin, you have utilized the WRM already. So, I want you to check on the activities that will be assigned to you later. Pero I want to give emphasis doon sa ating, sorry for that, sa ating mga activities. One, we have brainstorming to answer questions. So, ito yung icon na makikita ninyo. Alright? Next is, okay, ito naman yung icon natin. Very good. To read and write. And lastly, what is it, Mr. De La Cruz? Okay, ito naman yung icon na yan, pag nakita ninyo, ito yung mga activities for application of learning na natin. Itong mga to, no, napaka-importante for us to be prepared doon sa mga performance nung task natin. Okay, as mentioned previously, okay, these are the contents nung magiging discussions natin for this um, learning outcome. So going back, so I want everyone, Miss Aguila, Mr. De La Cruz, Miss Manuel, Mr. Pang, and Mr. Yumol to please proceed to the learning resource area. Okay. So kindly read the information sheets as instructed. So we have our information 2.1-1. your dash 2 and dash 3. Your number 1 information sheet is actually procedures in taking vital signs. Also, for information 2.1-2, this is your proper healthcare of children. And for 2.1-3 is actually hand washing procedures. Kindly check this one. This should be 2.1-3. Okay, so check the title and understand every lessons. Make sure to answer the self-check activity for each information sheet, and you may check your answers from the answer key provided at the end of each information sheet. Okay, and later on, we'll have our video presentation for the vital signs taking and hand washing procedure. Okay, maliwanag po ba? Alright. So, we'll be back later for the performance of your skills. Okay, and I'll be providing feedback later on. Okay. You may start the activity now. All right, everyone. I think we're now ready for the feedbacking. Okay? So, isa-isa tayo ng feedbacking, no? So, let's call on Mr. De La Cruz. Let's proceed to the trainer's resource area. Okay, how are you today, Mr. De La Cruz? I have seen kanina during your performance, no, yung pag-take ng blood pressure, kailangan lang nating i-correct ng konti. So when you put the bell, di ba, may bell tayo na ginagamit doon natin, yun yung inalalagay natin, tapos pinakikinggan natin doon sa earpiece natin. So pag tinutok mo yun, dapat doon sa pulse. And our pulse is actually located here. Okay? Wala tayong pulso doon sa kabila. Nandito ang pulso natin. So, pag tinutok mo dyan mo mapapakinggan. Hindi sa gitna, hindi doon. Okay? Dito lang yan. Okay. Overall, okay naman yung performance mo. So, I think you're good to proceed to our next session, next LO natin. Pakikinggan natin yan. Okay. Kinig mabuti ha sa susunod nating topic yan. Sige, let's proceed. I think everyone did well doon sa naging activity natin ngayon. Do you have any questions? Okay, kung wala na, I'll be checking the achievement chart and the progress chart, no, since naging okay naman kayong lahat. Palakpakan naman natin ang bawat isa, no, dahil sa achievement ninyo for today. And now we're ready to proceed to our next session, no. I hope everyone's enjoyed yung training session natin for today. I'll be seeing everyone tomorrow, no? Walang absent. Please take care. Thank you. Ingat kayo.